Assalamu alaikum. How are you kids? Alhamdulillah. Hope so. Everyone is good. Okay. Class, today we will learn what is the name of our national flower and what is the name of our national animal. Okay class? So, do you know what is the name of our national flower? Do you know? Do you know? Yes, this is water lily. This is water lily. Look, this is water lily. The name of our national flower is water lily. Okay kids, the name of our national flower is water lily. The name of our national flower is water lily. Look, sometimes its color is pink and sometimes its color is white. Look, আর এটা কোথায় থাকে? পানিতে থাকে, পুকুরে থাকে, right? So the name of our national flower is water lily. Okay, the name of our national flower is water lily. Do you know what is the name of our national animal? Yes, what is the name of our national animal? Royal Bengal tiger. This is Royal Bengal tiger. Okay, so the name of our national animal is Royal Bengal tiger. Oh, Royal Bengal tiger. Okay, class? Look, Royal Bengal tiger. Okay, now I will ask you some questions and you will answer it. Okay class? Okay, so Ishanduti, Rizan, Naima and Tarunno, Ishra and Namira. Do you know what is the name of our national flower? Yes, this is water lily. This is water lily. Very good. Now, Mahasin, Bhumi and Sarah, Ruhaima and Zaida. Do you know what is the name of our national animal? Yes, this is Royal Bengal tiger. This is Royal Bengal tiger. So, today we have learned the name of our national flower and the name of our national animal. Okay? So the name of our national flower is water lily and the name of our national animal is Royal Bengal tiger. Okay? Water lily and Royal Bengal tiger. Okay kids? So learn this at home. Okay? Now Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.